Odd numbers are 1, 3, 5, 7, etc. There are 4 basic operations: addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division.
For example,
addition, 5 plus 2 equals 7. Subtraction, 5 minus 2 equals 3. Multiplication, 3 times 2 equals 6. And division, 6 divided by 3 equals